Teckels rehomes over 350 cats and dogs every year. We don't receive any government funding and rely on the kind donations from supporters and the public. We also have a boarding facility on site which helps fund the important rescue work that we do. The cats and dogs that we get in to our rescue are from a variety of backgrounds. Some are sadly surrendered, some are unwanted, some are strays, but we do whatever we need to do to enable that cat and dog to be comfortable, happy and find their forever home. We strive to treat each and every cat and dog as if it's our own, whether that's a boarding client or a rescue animal, and the staff here give 100% to each and every cat and dog. As a small charity, Teckels is dependent on the kindness and generosity of the general public with things like goods, donations, our lovely regular boarding clients, monthly sponsorships to help us continue the work that we do. Teckels has been here since 2003 and we hope to be here for many more years to come.